Hi everyone, good evening to you all, and this is Mora once again from Ruida Machinery and Equipment Company here in Dongguan City. Here we specialize on printing equipment which ranges from the manual screen printing machines to the automatic screen printing machines. We also have machines like the heat press machines, we have the stretch machines, the lead exposure machines, the DTF machines, and various types of dryers. We have the tunnel dryers of different sizes and the flash dryers of different models. We have accessories like the squash of different handles. We have the metal handles and the wooden handles. We have the mesh, ink mixer, screen frames, emulsion scoop coater, hot air gun, screen drying rack, and so on. So today, this evening, we are going to be looking at this machine. This is a full servo automatic rotary screen printing machine. This is a 6-color 14 station of this machine. We have different color stations of this machine. We have from the 2-color 8 station to the 10-color 22 station. And this is the 6-color of this machine. Now, one other thing is that each color station of this machine comes with a specific number of flash dryers. What I'm trying to say here is the 2-color 8 station comes with 2 flash dryers. The 2-color 10 station comes with 2 flash dryers. The 3-color 10 station comes with 3 flash dryers. The 4-color 10 station comes with the 4 flash dryers down to the 10-color 22 station. So each color station of this machine has a specific number of flash dryers. Now, to begin with the introduction of this machine, it starts with the screen, the operating screen, which is the central control panel of this machine. Now, the first thing that pops up on this screen when it is being turned on is the option for the change of language. So it is going to ask you which language you would want to use on this machine. So let's give it a try and see how it looks. It is coming up. So like I said, these are the languages on this machine. We have the Chinese language, we have the English language, Arabic, Vietnamese, Spanish, Russian, French, and the Portuguese language. So for this time, we would be using the English language. So click on English and the enter button. So this is the page for the print setup for the sequence. And then we are going to start up the machine somehow. And okay, let's go to the home page first. This is the home page where we have the sequence. And here we can see the printing head off and on. We have the printing time, then the mode of printing at this part. These are the printing heads. So we're going to go on full open. They are all on at the moment. This is running the pause button, the forward button, the reversal, locating the plate open. And here we have the parameters of this machine. We have the advanced settings as well. This is for the owner of the machine who's going to purchase it. And then, but we're not using this at the moment. We'll click on cancel. This is for detection. It shows whatever is happening on the machine. This is speed settings for each of the color heads. And then this is the alarm record of the machine. Then here, the parameters, we click on full open, it's already open, and then, running. So the machine is now running. This is the 6-color 14 station all running at a go. Now, apart from the central control panel, which is this one, we have individual control panels on this machine. Each head has an individual control panel. Since it is a 6-color 14 station, we have 6 heads on this machine. So we have the first head here, we have the second head, the third head, fourth, fifth, and sixth over there. Now, this is the first head over here. Okay, let us use this one to make the illustration. It's a bit tight over there. Now, this is the 6th head here, and this is the individual control panel I'm talking about. Here we have some buttons on the control panel. We have the frame up and down button. We have the square sprint button. We have the settings button, the subtraction button, and the additional button in terms of the printing time and the laminating times. We have the forward button, the reverse button, the auto run button here, the pause, and then the power button. So these are the buttons that works on this individual operating panel. Apart from this part, we have this one under here where we have the micro registration handle, which can be used in adjusting the screen to different directions. We have the screen clamp over here, and then we have the air tag here as well. This one, this is the square carriage over here. And then, let's pause the machine for a bit. Let's pause the machine for a bit. So now the machine is being paused. This handle here, it's a very important handle. After your screen has been placed here, you can use this head to lift up the head. That is in case you want to have your screen cleaned, or you want to make some tapings on the screen. You can use this head this handle in raising up the head of this machine. So it just this, and then it goes up. The same way you push it back, and then it drops back to the way it was. So we're pushing it back now. It drops back to the way it was. And then this machine also consists of a very unique item, which is the foot pad. It consists of this foot pad, which can be used in controlling your pace. So, for example, you want to have something placed on this machine. Instead of going to the individual control panel to click on pause, you can use the foot pad in controlling the pace of the machine. Let's start on the machine. Now, let's give this a try. This is the foot pad, right? So let us try what I'm trying to talk about here. So we step on the foot pad and then try to place something here. Place it up and then release your legs. It works like that, and it's very easy to use. Apart from that, this machine has an alum pallet, the aluminum pallet, which is durable and it has a high temperature resistance. And then the printing area for this machine, for the 6-color 14 station, is 4 to 5. The printing area for this 6-color 14 station is 45 by 60 cm. The table size is 50 by 70 cm, and the max frame size is 60 by 83 cm. However, these sizes can be changed. If you want a bigger frame size or a smaller frame size, that is very fine. We can do that for you. If you want a bigger table size or a smaller table size, we can also do that for you. I forgot to mention something. That is the servo motors. This machine has servo motors on every color head. On every head. So we have servo motors here. That is individual servo motors over here, which is about 400 watts. So each head has a servo motor of 400 watts, and the machine in general has a servo motor of 2.3 kilowatts. The machine in general has a servo motor over there, down there, of about 2.3 kilowatts. So this is a full servo automatic rotary screen printing machine, and the weight of this machine is 1,800 kg, and it is about 4 meters. So guys, you're welcome. If you have questions or inquiries concerning this machine or any of our products, feel free to reach out to us and we would get back to you. Thank you so much once again, and have a great evening. Bye-bye.